From the city of Denton, this is a DTV Newsbreak.
I'm Natalie Rowe for the City of Denton. Thanks for joining us. The city's Department of Development Services is developing a plan for the Oak Gateway area. They're hosting a community workshop on Thursday, February 22nd at Calhoun Middle School. It runs from 6 until 8 and is designed to give the public and stakeholders an opportunity to engage with the city staff and help develop a plan for the area's future. Visit cityofdenton.com/neighborhood planning for more information. The Denton Police Department would like to remind everyone that when you come across an emergency vehicle that is stopped on the road, make sure to move over at least one lane if possible, or at the very least, slow down.
Chapter 545 of the Transportation Code says if you're passing a certain vehicle, that would include an emergency response vehicle such as a police car, fire truck, ambulance, or if you're passing a tow truck or even a Texas Department of Transportation vehicle on the side of the highway, you have to either slow down to 20 miles per hour below the posted speed limit or vacate that lane closest to that vehicle. The law is just really here to keep your first responders safe so that they can do the job and get the roadways cleared up for you.
Materials Hard and Soft is the Greater Denton Arts Council's premier event, and it's on display through May 5th. You can find it at the Patterson-Appleton Arts Center. It's a contemporary crafts competition that features 70 works by artists from here and afar. For more information, visit dentonarts.com. That does it for this edition of DTV Newsbreak. For the City of Denton, I'm Natalie Rowe. Thanks for watching.
Watch more city videos at youtube.com and visit our website. Stay connected with the city of Denton.